you're single?
I'm single.
Ready to mingle?
I'm ready to mingle.
Apparently, I'm getting mingled already.
And how old are you?
Just go on my
23.
YouTube channel.
Alright, Kelly is 23. How many years have you been single? 1 year. Yeah. If you guys are gonna be food for David, what will it be and why? In English ha, because David can understand. Don't make me translate it. Adobo. Why adobo? It's crunchy. Why? Crunchy na yung adobo.
Bread.
Ay, bread. Bread, why?
Jesus is the bread of life.
David, if I will ask you to choose the bread or the adobo?
Adobo.
Now, another. If David will ask you to go for a date, where do you want to go and why?
Adoration Chapel.
Adoration Chapel. Why?
Si Lord.
Because Lord is there. And you?
Beach.
Beach. Why beach?
Peaceful and romantic.
Beach or Alright, David. Where do you want to go? The Adoration Chapel or on the beach?
The beach.
You chose the beach in adobo. So that girl got 2 points. They have a hint, they have something. Can you guess who won? Is it Jessa or Kelly? What do you think?
Let's be honest. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, toss the bottom by yourself.